Which word means most nearly the same as stormy? A. Squirmy, B. Infamy, C. Temptation, D. Tempestuous, or E. None of the above. Squirmy and temptation can be marked off, as right off the bat we can see that neither of these words have anything to do with storms. We're left with infamy and tempestuous, two words that are perhaps lesser known. However, there is a hint in the words themselves. We can see that stormy is an adjective, as it might describe something like a stormy night or stormy weather, and as our question is asking us to look for the word most nearly the same, we can assume we're looking for an adjective as well. The OUS at the end of tempestuous indicates to us that it's an adjective, similar to gorgeous, enormous, delicious, and so on. On top of that, there's a cultural reference that may help you identify this word. Shakespeare's play The Tempest, featuring, famously, a storm. Although it's out of use now, a tempest refers to a storm, which we can see connects back to stormy. With all of this in mind, we can mark D, tempestuous, as our final answer.